Let the clouds come, wet with loud thunder. A step without umbrellas, yet I'm not jealous at the ones that got 'em, 'cause they always knock into me, getting me to wonder what's their problem. Some wanna say the rain makes it hard to see, so they cover close and can't peek when they're walking down the street. But never mind that they constantly almost blind to me, 'cause holding them high to pass might be mad tiring. I have to dive and duck, jive and shucks every time. If we remained inside, we may have made a better time. And I'm not letting minor irritants hinder me, just stay out the way. Let's enjoy this misty, dreary, soggy day.
Rain all day, 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 day. Rain all day, 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 day. Hey. Rain all day, day, day. I wanna share my umbrella, L-A-A. Knowing there I'm standing in my Pella Pele. Wanna play? Where you at today? Where you at, Miss May? Where you at? I crave affection. I stay erect. My favorite section is Mason something. Don't lump me into the category of sadder stories. Drink my Vit, wash my hands in the lavatory. Had a 4-story coffee for you, but cookies for you. But look what you do. I can't get hold of you, you must got mochophobia. I wanna hold you, but days is getting lonelier. Rain all day, 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 day. Rain all day, 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 day. Rain all day, 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 day.